Recording. Don't get him too close, you grab my finger. Do it. You know you want to. Just bite it. Just I
won't, because he'll grab me by my nose with his big ass pinches.
Can we have a little baby rubber band to put it on its claws? Dad, I'm giving you gloves.
No.
Dad, I got you some gloves.
Fresh, still contracting.
Ew, it's moving. Now put that in the fish tank, he's gonna get eaten. Is it good?
No.
Oh, jeez.
Piece of them. Dad, it's time for you to eat another one.
Hopefully the bass gets him. Oh, nice! Oh, spit him out. Oh, getting him again.
Oh.
He's like, where's the tail at? Crawfish is like confused.
Yesterday on the good stuff.
Look at him, he's done with it.
Me too.
He can't crawl.